Here are the exercises for Chapter 9 on the C preprocessor. Firstly, this isn't really an exercise, it's just go and examine, see if you can find them, the include files math.h and string.h. You may have to look in the documentation of your compiler to find out where they are, but this is good. It's good for you to at least know where they are, and it's also good for you to have a look at a couple. So just go and check them out. You'll find them somewhere, and it depends on your compiler as to where they will actually be. Next, I want you to create a macro. This is a hash define macro to print an integer's value such that the following code is correct. We'll call the macro print_int, and you'll feed it one particular integer, any old integer, and the macro will print it out using, say, printf. Hopefully printf. I can't imagine what else you're going to use to print out an integer. Okay, so if you get the macro working properly, then this piece of code here, print_int x, will work. Will compile and run. Next, I want you to modify the course project, and such that all appropriate hash defines are used. I want no magic numbers in the course project from this point forward for the rest of the course. Also, I'd like you to take any of these hash defines that you create and put them into a header file called database.h. So we're actually going to have two files that comprise our project now, database.c and database.h. Now, as a final sort of special exercise, I want to use a hash ifdef type construct to make sure that we can compile a version of our CD database that does not have any reference to artists. In other words, we don't prompt the user for an artist, and we don't print out any artist information when we're printing things out. I want there to be an artist version and a no artist version. So I want there to be a hash define called no artist, or not. You want to be able to have the no artist hash define or not have the no artist hash define, and the code should behave accordingly. I'll leave you to figure out which way around it should go. Okay, those are the exercises. Have a go at them and start the next module when you have completed them.